Yeah, what's going on? Right, literally, just got home, 2 minutes ago. Got my grapes here. Yeah, let's do a weekly outlook. So this is going to be my first reactions to the market because I just got home from the gym, been working all day. I think this is something that I did earlier in the day actually. I'm capping. But yeah, let's get into it. So, grapes. Goated. So goated. But yeah, let's do this. So, what are we seeing in the monthly? So, seeing SMT, that's still holding. Price has traded into this monthly fair value gap. I believe that in NQ we haven't. Yeah, so that's fair value gap we've been trading into. So that's either bearish or bullish sign. I'm still unsure. We're gonna have to see what happens today and Monday's price action. But price swept that low down there. The monthly also has been swept to April. So basically, we don't really have a crazy understanding of market right now. I'm still bearish in the high time frame. I think I'll be bullish if we see an inversion of this bearish fair value gap. But yeah, let's get into the weekly now. Bro, what's your favorite grape? Green or purple? I think I like purple when it's sweet, but green when it's nice and cold and you want to get refreshed, if you know what I mean. Ketamine. But yeah, so that's our previous weekly range. So we know that there is buy side and sell side liquidity to be taken. Let's keep in mind that is a strong bullish expanding candle because it closed above with small wicks. So you see how we have a strong long buy side wick and a short. We just have a short little wick at the bottom. A long wick at the bottom, little wick at the top. So that means that price was able to trade above, leaving very minimum buy side liquidity. And we're likely to be heading into that further swing home. We also have a bearish fair value gap up here in buy side. So it's just a fair price may trade to that, but for now, this is the levels that I think I'll be looking for. We have opened the week bearish. I would like to see a fair value gap be made in here today. If that does happen, could be a very, very, very good indication for price to, you know what I mean? Let's go daily. And daily we can see that last week price traded into that volume imbalance and was able to find support there. Very strong support on Friday, which I believe it was NFPs. Oh dude, one thing that we haven't spoken about now that we're in the daily, let's talk about the news. So in the news we have home impact news Monday, so today could be a good day to trade. Tuesday I won't be only taking trades because it's the day before FOMC. Price will be really volatile. Very sell, save your capital. Wednesday I won't trade FOMC because it's just too late for me. But Thursday, Friday, good days to trade. So Monday trade, Tuesday no trade, Wednesday trade, no trade, Thursday trade, Friday trade. That's my advice to you guys. So I think today we will see that expansion move, and it would fit really nicely because remember how I said that I want the fair value gap to be made? Yeah, well that couldn't be made. Tomorrow we'll maybe have a more consolidating candle, and then Wednesday we can get that manipulation into that bullish fair value gap, balance the range, go higher, or an inversion of the fair value gap. So there's two possibilities here. I think today most likely it's going to be a draw on liquidity. What time is high? So yeah, we gotta wait till 10 AM. High impact news. But I hate the little grapes. I feel like the little grapes are just not, something about them, they're just, ugh. Forza! Just watch the fucking Formula 1. Oscar Piastri? Are you kidding me? Aussie. Bro, he's been killing it to be fair. Lando's out. Fuck Lando. So in the daily we see a bullish fair value gap. I really like that. For a bullish continuation. I'd like to, so in the lower time frame, I think that's where we're going to be able to see. What I wouldn't want to see is price trade below this, because that would indicate to me that it's going to be a change in state delivery. You know what I mean? And I would like to see this bearish fair value gap be inverted. Really like this. I think this is going to be a nice setup for today, boys. As long as we hold this, I think we sweep that low, made in the Asia session just before midnight open. Yeah, no, it's looking good. So I'm assuming that, and it would really line up if we see some SMT at the bottom. But I think we have to wait till 10 AM. So I wouldn't be taking any trades before that, in case you get manipulated. Wait for a sweep here now. And then if we see that, that'll be perfect. So we could just get a fucking, our model sweeps that, inversion, hold of support, bing, bing, bing. Oh, that would literally be like picture perfect. Obviously we don't know what's gonna happen, but if that does happen, we could catch a move like that. Policia. Yes. But I did chest today. So in the monthly, similar thing, we have that SMT of the highs, which continues to stand, making me believe that price is bearish. Similar thing, we have a sweep down here of these lows, and we have that monthly bearish fair value gap. Unlike NQ, we have not traded into the fair value gap or traded above April's high. Let's could be a thing. This could be one or two things. It could show that price is going to trade up there, or that price is actually going to reverse. So there is sort of two possibilities. I wouldn't rule either one of them out, especially the reversal, because we are in such a weird time, like Trump could just come out tomorrow and be like, tariffs, suck my ass, boy, and then we all get fucked. That's our previous week. So yeah, I guess again and again and again, look at that, that's a build up of liquidity right there. So I think that we are going to be trading higher. Similar thing we just last previous week, we had a strong bullish expansion candle. Again, small wick, big body. Trading away from that sell side. Yeah, no, price has been trading weirdly nice, but at the same time not really. Like, look at these candles, they're just so choppy, but at the same time, if you really like go down into a lower time frame, it's not bad. The setups are nice. I've been looking at the back testing and shit. Similar thing as the NQ, we saw that expansion out of that. I think that was NFP. So yeah, strong bullish expansion candles. Even out of this liquidity void, that was very strong. It was able to hold that support. Four-hour, similar thing. It does seem like NES has traded further below into that IRL, into that order block here. Similar thing, I don't want to see this get closed below. If the price closes below that, I think that's over, boys. Similar thing, you want to see an inversion here. That fair value gap. Felicia. Yeah, look at that. Dude, soon I'm gonna, cause I've been moving around, man, trying to sort my stuff out, but soon I'm gonna have a nice wall, nice little picture, make the atmosphere, cause that white wall, like, bro, look at that fan, bro, like, the aura's not auraing. But yeah, it does look like ES is much weaker in the sense of the bullish order flow. It's about a sweep. It's literally about a sweep. So I think we might see that into here. So it's mostly, if we are to see this bullish price action today, it's probably going to be a New York manipulation and a New York distribution. Yeah, see, look at that. And we need to keep in mind that price does one of two things. What does it do? Trades from IRL to ERL. Dumb. Right? And that is our imbalances in there. Right? Get it? ERL, IRL. I know you got it, but just remind myself, reminding the world. Keeping locked the fuck in. Let's go. Let's get it. Yeah, see, look at that. It's very bad trade into that. And that looks like liquidity up there. I think that we will see that happen. But again, 10 a.m. high impact news. Wait for it. Lock the fuck in. Let's look at the dollar. Dollars are weak, bro. The dollar is weak. we want to see price. Because yeah, we've just swept all that. So I think that I want to see price come back into this range. And that's what I think we're going to start seeing. But if price does start trading into that, it's likely that, because the other thing that I have figured out is that when Forex is weak, the index market, crypto, gold is strong. But when dollar is strong, the index market, gold, crypto is weak, right? So we might have a little temporary pullback, which will make the other assets weaker. Alright. So just keep in mind that. Don't mean to scare you, but keeping that in mind. I don't know if you guys like 15-minute videos or even longer. I'm trying to hurry this up. Bro, I literally just got home, man. Literally just got home. It's the gym tee that I was wearing. Okay, so in the weekly, yeah, bro, dude, look at that. That's just, look at that high wants to be taken. That high wants to be taken. So that's the previous weekly range. We've also swept that. That is just too low now. Like if we closed or swept down here, I'd be like, alright, I think we're gonna do it. We're gonna draw to that. But at this current point in time, this does look like the most favorable order flow, drawing liquidity. In the daily, what are we seeing in the daily? See, bro, it's what you see in the low time, in the high time frame, you see in the low time frame, bro. Remember, price is fractal. It's all the fucking same, bro. That's the hard part to understand for anyone that trades. Like, shit's not complicated. Like, the easier you fucking make things in your head and in your strategy and your plan, the better things go. But when you start complicating shit, bro, that's fucking when you get paralysis by analysis and shit. It just sucks. So I think that we're gonna just sweep these and then probably trade higher. That's kind of what I'm seeing right now. Yeah, does look like it, highly likely. We just got a bearish fair value gap made in the Felicia in the Asian session. We're really respecting that in the London, and I don't think that's, unless we see more bullish support here. What the fuck, bro? Did you see that? Come on, bro. Unless we see more bullish support from like more bullish fair value gaps coming in here, so I want to see this respected and another one coming into New York session, then yeah, bro, like for sure that looks like more likely. But at this current point in time, I'm not convinced. I don't think that was very clean. I don't know. Just that chop, bro. Look at that chop. So yeah, I don't know. We could respect it. We could not. I think that most likely trade into this IRL. Probably sweep again this liquidity. Yeah, bro, look at that. So this might actually be our reversal now, bro. You never know, like, get a closure above here. Could well be, because we have traded into that fair value gap. But yeah, man, quickly, let's just go over gold. I'm not gonna do anything crazy about gold, but extremely bullish. I think that price needs to come back into some kind of IRL. In the weekly, it's a little bit more clear what we could anticipate. Maybe price will come back into this little area of price, order block, and see if it respects it. There is a little bit of value gap there. I don't know if price has respected it or not. Bro, that song's stuck in my head. It's fucking bop. Yeah, bro, look. I'm telling you, we're gonna be seeking this IRL if we want to go higher. But yeah, bro, remember your high impact news. Keep that in mind. Make sure that goes along with your trading plan, your strategy for the week. Also, like, yeah, just trade smartly. Minimal trades always go the furthest, in my opinion. Is what I've noticed. I'll be trying a little bit harder this week. It's just that I got back from my trip in Sydney, seeing the family. So yeah, I'll lock in. Been doing my best, bro. We're already seeing that sweep in, so who knows? We might be seeing that London reversal, bro, and the New York continuation. This could be sick. Cause like, yeah, dude, that's the New York. So who knows, dude? We might start seeing that coming now. But yeah, that was my first impressions on the market. Have a good week. Trade safe. Look after your capital. Stay deadly, cur.